Hey guys, it's Christina. So I wanted to do a little giveaway. I asked you guys on my Instagram stories if you'd rather me do like a huge giveaway and have one winner like for the month, or should I do like little giveaways every week and have 4 different winners. So a lot of you voted for that, so I wanted to start. So the first giveaway I actually did with Quiche. We posted that on Monday. I will link it over here somewhere. That has 2 winners and it's for both YouTube and Instagram. But this one is completely separate. This one is actually going to be for my Twitch because I just started a Twitch channel. It's a new one. Yes, I know I had one before, but if you guys want to win this prize, so one winner is going to get both of these. So first you have the Eyes and Cheek palette from Profusion. So you have nice warm and neutral colors for the eyeshadow and blush. You have shimmers, you have mattes. These ones you can do for the daytime. You have the highlight and blush. You can do the darker eyeshadows for the nights and also the darker highlight and blush shades. And you do get a brush. And then this is a brow set, also from Profusion. So you get a nice little brow kit with 2 colors and the setting wax, a brow pencil, a tweezer, and a brow gel. So it's not a huge prize, but like I said, I will be doing small prizes like this every single week, so stay tuned. I'm planning to do a giveaway on YouTube every week, and then I will also do extra giveaways for Instagram and Twitch like this one. So after this I will have more YouTube giveaways, don't worry. But if you want to enter this, all you have to do is of course be subscribed to my YouTube channel because this is for my subscribers, duh. But also go to my Twitch and follow me on there, which I will link it down below. It's twitch.tv/K3Dance. If you make an account on Twitch, just search for K3Dance and follow me, and then come back to this video and leave me a comment down below and tell me your username on Twitch because I will be checking. And that is it. So the giveaway will end in 1 week. Good luck to you guys. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you know, all of that is at K3Chocolate. I'll link all of those for you guys down below, and I'll see you in my next video.